This box of baking soda in your kitchen is likely used for two things: baking or absorbing odors in your fridge. But what if I told you that its true purpose has been overlooked? When combined with one specific oil, this simple powder becomes one half of a powerful protocol that ancient healers used to address everything from painful bone spurs to deep, persistent scars. My name is Dr. Jocelyn, and for over 12 years, I've studied and worked with traditional remedies and natural healing protocols, looking at why some of them actually work and others don't. What they knew through centuries of practice is something modern science is just beginning to understand. That specific oil is, of course, castor oil. And today, I'm going to show you the science behind this incredible synergy and how to use it correctly. Before we go any further, take just 1 second if you appreciate simple, natural solutions that actually make sense. Tap the like button. It really helps this video reach more people who need it. And leave me a comment below. Have you ever used castor oil before, or is this your first time learning about it? All right, let's break down the science. So why is this simple mixture so effective? It comes down to a brilliant partnership where each ingredient plays a specific vital role. Let's break down the science. First, you have castor oil. Think of it as the premium delivery system. The active component in castor oil is a unique fatty acid called renoleic acid. This acid makes up almost 90% of the oil, and it's a biological powerhouse. Scientific research has shown that renoleic acid specifically targets and binds to prostagland and EP3 receptors. To put it simply, these are like sensors on your cells that signal for pain and inflammation. By binding to them, renoleic acid can effectively turn down the volume on inflammation at a cellular level. This is why it's so effective for things like joint pain. Then you have the ingredient we started with, baking soda. Think of this as the catalyst. It plays two key roles. First, it's mildly alkaline. This creates a subtle pH change on the skin surface that can help the renoleic acid be absorbed even more efficiently. Second, it acts as a gentle micro-exfoliant, clearing away dead skin cells. This essentially clears the path for the delivery system, the castor oil, to do its work without any obstructions. It's not just a mixture, it's a powerful synergistic protocol. Now, before we create it, this is critical. Safety first. Always use organic, cold-rest, hexane-free castor oil. The quality of your oil matters. And always do a small patch test on your inner wrist for 24 hours to ensure you don't have a reaction before applying it to a larger area. All right, the formula is simple. We call it the golden ratio. It's a 2.1 ratio. 2 parts castor oil to 1 part baking soda. You're going to mix them together thoroughly until you have a consistent uniform paste, almost like the texture of toothpaste. This mixture can be stored in a small glass jar in a cool, dark place, and it will be ready whenever you need it. Now for the exciting part. Here are 7 of the most powerful ways to use this paste based on what I've seen work most effectively. 1. Age spots and skin pigmentation. Apply a thin layer directly onto the age spot before bed. The gentle exfoliating action of the baking soda and the regenerative properties of the castor oil can help lighten these spots over time. 2 scars, old and new for scars. You want to massage the paste into the tissue for 2 to 3 minutes each evening. This helps to break up scar tissue and encourage healthy new skin growth. Be consistent. 3. Aching joints, arthritis, stiffness. This is a profound application. Apply a thick layer of the paste over the aching joint, like a knuckle or a knee. Loosely wrap it with a piece of plastic wrap and then place a hot water bottle over it for 15 to 20 minutes. The heat drives the anti-inflammatory properties deep into the joint. 4. Skin tags and cysts. Apply a small amount of the paste to the skin tag or cyst and cover it with a Band-Aid. Change the Band-Aid daily. 5. Toenail fungus. Apply the paste over the entire affected nail each night after you shower, making sure to get it into the nail bed. The antifungal properties of both ingredients are very effective here. 6. Calluses and cracked heels. Apply a thick layer to your heels, put on an old pair of cotton socks, and leave it on overnight. You will be amazed at the difference in the morning. 7. Reducing eye puffiness. Now, for this, be incredibly careful. Use a very small amount, less than a grain of rice, and gently tap it under the eye area. Do not get it in your eye. Leave it for 10 minutes, then gently wipe it away with a damp cloth. And that brings us to the end of our top 7. But stick with me for one more minute because I want to share a bonus application. One you can try tonight and see an immediate wow result in just 10 minutes. If you have dry, ragged cuticles or dull, lifeless-looking nails, this is for you. We'll call it the 10-minute natural manicure. Here's what you do. Take a small amount of the paste and massage it thoroughly into each of your nails and the surrounding cuticles. Really work it in. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Here's the magic that's happening. The baking soda is gently dissolving and loosening all the dead, dry cuticle skin, while the castor oil is deeply moisturizing and nourishing the nail bed and the new skin underneath. It's also rich in vitamin E, which strengthens the nails. After 10 minutes, take a warm, damp cloth and gently wipe it all away, pushing back your cuticles as you go. The result is instantaneous. Your cuticles will be soft and healthy, and your nails will have a natural, beautiful luster. It's a salon-quality treatment you can do at home for pennies. This simple trick is the fastest way to physically see and feel the power of this combination at work. As you can see, sometimes the most powerful solutions are hidden in plain sight. This isn't about a miracle cure overnight. This is about consistently supporting your body with natural tools that have stood the test of time. My advice: start with the 10-minute nail restoration tonight to prove the concept to yourself. Then pick one of the other issues, perhaps an old scar or a single aching joint, and commit to using this remedy for 2 weeks. And to continue learning these powerful ways to support your body's natural healing process, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And finally, many of you may have heard of remedies like this from your parents or grandparents. In the comments, please share your stories. Your wisdom might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. Thank you for your time. Your health is your greatest asset. Treat it that way.